I am bringing you with me to get my lips tattooed. Now, you may be wondering, why would a 51-year-old woman get her lips tattooed? Well, in this world, we call it lip blushing. So I don't know if you realize, but as you age, your lip color fades. And I never had bright lips to begin with. I've always used lip liner, that sort of thing, to fake it. So now we're going to do the real thing. This is me getting the perfect shape. This is key. Take your time, really talk to whoever is doing the tattooing and make sure you love the shape. It needs to match your own lips. You can't really overdraw the way you do with lip liner, otherwise it'll look pretty funky. Here we are, we're getting it done. It's relatively painless. So she did put numbing cream on me, but I feel nothing, just little etching, but really pain-free. That is the key. You've gone to someone great. It shouldn't be really painful. How gorgeous is this color? So the drawing on the lip process took about half an hour. The full tattoo process took about 1 hour. There we are with the top lip completely done. Now we're going to move on and do the bottom. And she reapplies the numbing cream as we go. My phone died. So she finished the treatment. It was painless. No pain. And look how perfect. Look at this color. I mean, it's a gloomy day here in California, so I'm trying to get you the real color. I'll show you at home in my makeup light, but it's stunning.